Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can simply add services to your Elementor website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do, it should be an Elementor, and we're right here. You want to click Control Shift L, or on Mac, Control Shift L2. So when you're gonna have it, what will happen? You will open the blog page, and in category you just want to write services. And now you're gonna see like the R services templates that you can use for Elementor. Like, I don't know, this one here. Or like the white one is good. So let's choose this one. Let's wait. And voila, here we got it. So pretty simple, pretty cool. And now we see like we can change the logo here. Then I'm going to change it to I don't know, this one, skiing, and then I would choose snowboarding. Oh, and now what I would just do, I would just edit the title here and also the button and everything. So that's what I would do. It's pretty simple and pretty easy. Then you can also like link it and change it, but you can also like change the photo if you want. And this is like really good. Then we got like border here and the background color and everything that you can change if you want to. But that's honestly pretty much it. And yeah, also if you go, let's go to Navigator. You're gonna select the column here that you can play around it if you want. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. You can also see and test different design services here. And you can choose which one you actually like and just edit it. That's what I would do. And yeah. Thank you everybody. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.